the gesture, not just the sound. Used when given, showing care all around. Dōzo, go ahead, Dōzo. Here you are when I give or let you through. That's the word I use for you. Dōzo, such a key, polite and smooth, you'll see. Now you thank me, Dōmo. Just a little nod, Dōmo. Maybe with arigato, then it's double polite, you'll know. From a light thanks to a deep one too. Dōmo can shift, it's flexible, true. Dōmo, thanks a lot, Dōmo. Just that spot, short and sweet, it can mean so much. Even hello with a friendly touch. Dōmo, it's in between, casual, humble, clean. Dōzo, when you offer, Dōmo. When you thank, Dōzo. Like please go ahead, Dōmo. Like cheers or thanks, Dōzo. Cues with action, Dōmo. For reaction, Dōzo. Like after you, Dōmo. When someone says thank you too. 誰かにプレゼントをあげます。どうぞバスでおばあさんに席を譲ります。どうぞお茶を出します。はいどうぞお菓子もあります。どうぞお礼を言いたい。どうもちょっと照れくさい。でもどうもありがとうの代わり。どうもこんにちはの代わり。時々どうも手紙でも使います。どうもありがテレビでも聞こえます。あーどうも短いけど大事な言葉です。どうぞとどうも違うけど両方大切。Use them well and people smile. Beneath this always goes the mile. Dōzo, take the lead, Dōmo. Feel the need when you're giving or replying. These small words are always tying. Goes on from me to you, Dōmo, to say thank you. Just these two and you're already sounding true.